All right, today I'm going to show you how to wash a protein shaker. Right here I have my protein shaker. I was like having it soak with water in here because it smelled bad on the inside and I want to get the smell out. So I had it soaking with water. So now I'm going to wash it. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to open up the top right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and pour out the water just like that. All right. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a little bit of soap inside of it. And I'm going to fill this with hot water, just like this. Fill it with hot water. And take note that the shaker ball is inside of there. So with hot water, I'm going to have this. I'm going to go ahead and shake this. Shake it. Not like a Polaroid picture, but shake it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and open this up and pour this out just like that. Now this is only the first part of the process, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. You see it's soapy sudsy in there. You have the shaker ball. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your sponge, maybe put a little bit of soap on it. You're just going to take the sponge and you're just going to go around. Sometimes I'll squeeze this part right here. All right. Now did it here and then put that down there. Make sure this doesn't go down the garbage disposal, so you could put it at the side. Then you're going to get the cap, and you want to get all up in there. If you have a straw scrubber, probably take the scrubber and just go around like that. Go around the mouth part. But if not, no problem. Sometimes the sponge itself can get in there. Then just go around the mouth part. And try to get around the top, because sometimes the protein can spill out towards the top and get into some of the different spaces up there. So have that on the inside. Get on the inside around the screw part of the top. And then going to go ahead and take this and get the outside. Get the bottom. And then get around the rim. I usually get this first because it actually loosens up any material that may be stuck on there. And then just go on the inside of the cup with the soapy sponge. Go all around. Make sure you get any of the protein stuff up that's stuck in there. And just go around to the inside of the cup. And voila. And so once you have that, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and take the metal shaker ball and put it inside the cup. Fill it with water. And then I'll go ahead and put the top on. Close it. And then shake it some more. Like this. And this gets any of the debris from off the inside. And then I'll pour it out. Just like that. Okay. And I'll fill it up again. You don't have to fill it up all the way, but fill it up somewhat. Use warm hot water. Close it. Shake it. And pour it out right here. You see that? So once I have that, then I'll go ahead and take the top off and then just rinse these parts off right here. Just like that. And then turn off the water and just put this away to dry. And that's how you clean a protein shaker bottle. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.